Okay, in this piano exercise, we're going to look at hand independence when working with a walking jazz bass line on piano. What we're going to do is I'm going to play a 2-5-1-6 progression in the bass line, which is like this. And when we get to the exercise, you can copy me note for note, or you can do your own bass line, but just keep in mind some of our notes may clash. I'll try and keep to the same pattern every time just to keep it consistent. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce different subdivisions of that. So for example, I might go on the crotchets, I might swing the eighths, I might do triplets, and I might do syncopation, and then I'll do 16s. And when I'm doing the 16s, I'm just adding this D as well. And I'm also going to go through ornaments, which is this kind of pattern. And also minim triplets, which sound like this. Once I've done that, I'm going to do the same thing but with some chords. The chords I'm going to use are these 2-5-1s in the A voicings that I've covered before. But if you're seeing them for the first time, just starting on the minor third of the D and building it up in thirds like that. Then the middle note drops down for our G chord, which creates a G13. And then these three notes here shift down to create our C major 9 chord. Also going to add a turnaround chord. What I'm going to do is hop the whole shape up by a third and then just flatten these two notes. This gives us an A7 altered. So those shapes again, D minor 9, G13, C major 9, A altered. And the rhythms I'll cover there are on the beat, and then I'll do some duvas, which is 1 and I'll do some va-dos, which is like and 2 and 3. And some triplets. And I'll finish with some syncopations here. Use this exercise as a play along. You can match me exactly if you wish. But remember, don't worry if you're playing slightly different notes. It's more about locking in with my rhythms than the notes. Or alternatively, use this as a guide to design your own practice routine. And you may want to hone in on a rhythm that's particularly challenging for you. Okay, here we go. We'll go through our 5-minute exercise where we cover most of the common rhythm subdivisions in jazz. 1, 2, 3, and...